Okay, this is the top bar hive. I'll just move my glove. As you can see, it's well, I don't know how many hives we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. We're using 14 bars, considering we put the first 4 in. Anyway, let's have a little look and see how it goes. I hope this works. Right. Take this, this is the dummy board, and this, as you can see, I'll probably move this in here a little bit. You can see down in there, they're all doing their business. So we'll move that along there. We'll move one of these along there. And then we'll start moving. This is one I put in last week. You can see here, it's just got a small amount of comb on. This is one from 10 days ago. I'll have a look here. A little bit further advanced. Not bad though. Now we get into the serious stuff. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with this hive yet, because this here is quite heavy, as you can see. It's looking good, and the next one in is just the same. Beautiful, beautiful honey. I don't know if you can see. You can see the top where it's just torn away a little bit. Just here, where my fingers are. The bees are very quiet. There's plenty on there. Seems to be working fine. If it was capped, I reckon I'd have one of them, but it's not capped, so I shan't. Bollocks. Apparently I've just made a grave mistake. I'm not supposed to go into the front of the just sticks to the sides a little bit, but not too bad. This is the next one in. And that, as I can show you, is nearly completely capped. That's really quite a weight. It's really quite heavy. So obviously there's no foundation gone on that, no nothing. Now, considering this was a late thing, and we put the first 4 in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I must have slipped another one in there. It's my trouble in life, I'm always slipping the wrong one in. Now, I'm trying to go further down here. see one of the old ones that we did originally when you and I bastardised them, and that is one of these. As you can see, massively active, capped honey, and there's capped brood, I think. Well, there you are. I'll just get the camera and try and show you down. See? You're doing well. There you are, Robert. That's just about it. That's all 3 hives. And I'm pleased with it. I don't think the bees are. In fact, they're fucked off. They're going to be even more pissed off in a minute, because I'm about to treat them, which is a bit more difficult. So I'm going to turn the camera out in case I bollocks it.